As you know, IROC Daily is getting some Detroit Speed parts. We grabbed one box out of the 9 that we've received, and let's open this one up. Alright. Got the tie rod adjusters. Tie rod ends. Nice. All right. Get a full engagement of the threads. No slice down the center to have it twist on you while it's getting pushed to the limit. Full engagement. Move to the next box. Some new tie rod ends, more plastic tie rod ends, Detroit Speed stickers, and a Pro Touring book written by Mark Stilo with Will Hansel. Awesome book on first gen builds. An Elgin Pro Stock idler. All new stuff. And that new shock smell from Coney. Let's open this bad boy up, take a look at it. New front struts, and the rear shocks must be in one of the other 9 boxes. All right, that's it. So 2 shocks, or 2 front struts, and some suspension components. What will we open next? Thanks for checking.